Hello viewers. So I just want to make a quick video on this because I couldn't find anything about it and had to sort it out on my own. So I have a 2000 Nissan Pathfinder, and last couple days it's had a hard time starting. I thought maybe the fuel pump was going out, but then I noticed the red security light, which we'll go take a look at later, was on solid. And then I started messing around with it, and I noticed this key on the back says replaceable battery contained inside. So I'm like, well, so what I did was I beat that key against the side of my toolbox, and then all of a sudden the car started. I was able to get it back home. So I figured out how to pull it apart, and I'm going to replace the battery in it and see if that helps. It takes a 1632 battery. So let's put this back together, and then I'll kind of show you how it's assembled so you can figure out how to take yours apart. Alright, so let's put our new battery in. You can see on there that it has a plus sign on the top of this little chip. So this side we'll push it in like this, so we match up the pluses, positive on the battery. So we'll just slide this in here like so. Alright, and then, well, here's the base of the key. I believe it goes in there with the battery facing the back. I don't know if there's like, yep, it seems it wants to go in that way. So now you're looking at that chip sits in there, and then you'll notice this side of this little cover here, and it's got that little square by my thumb. That goes right there. There's a little computer piece in there. I don't know what it is, but this little rubber thing. So you want to line that little square there with that computer thing on the chip. So this just gets pushed back in there like so. See? Little rubber thing just sits in there like that. And then you take the bottom of your key, and that just slips back on here. Like that. And then you push it down, and you see those two little square pegs. That's like a little clips that hold it together. So when you want to take this back apart, you push in the little those two clip ends in these things, and you push them inward, and that releases this part of the key. And then you take a little tiny flat blade screwdriver, and you just get in there and you pop this rubber piece out, and then you can just take that little computer chip out, the transponder. So it snaps back together. Again, if you wanted to undo that, you just undo those two clips on the side with a little screwdriver. Alright, so we got a fresh battery in here now. Let's go see if it works. Okay, let's try that again. So I put the new battery in, it still didn't work, so I took the key back apart again, and I cleaned the contacts for the battery. I just took a brush, like a nylon brush, and put a little brake cleaner on it, and I very gently scrubbed the contacts for the battery. And then you'll notice on the strap, the positive strap for that battery, there's these two things that push down on the battery to keep tension on it. I bent those down a little so they would put more pressure on the battery. So let's try it again, I guess. Key on, No security light. Alright. So now we're running. So maybe the battery wasn't the problem, it was some corrosion building up in there, making a not so good connection. So hopefully this is going to work for me. I have two other Nissans, a 02 and a 2001, and they're both Xteras, and neither one of them have this key. They just have regular keys. So I'm guessing that this fancy key with a battery maybe was for the higher luxury vehicles or something. I don't know, but I guess if this starts acting up again, I'm gonna have to probably go to the dealer, and hopefully they'll still be able to get a key like that and program it. Otherwise, I don't know what you do. I have to try to figure out how to delete the security program, which would be ideal for me because I'm not too worried about my 215,000 mile Pathfinder getting stolen, really. I'd rather just have it start when I want it to start, personally. But anyway, I hope this video has helped you, considering I couldn't find any other videos on that weird key with a battery in it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.